Optimizing your Google Business Profile for SEO is one of the smartest ways to increase visibility, attract local clients, and boost your online presence in 2025. Whether you run a small business, a service-based company, or a freelance venture, understanding how to improve your profile for search engines can make a significant difference. In this video, we'll share essential Google Business Profile SEO tips to help your business rank higher and get noticed by potential customers. The first SEO tip is to complete your profile fully and accurately. Make sure your business name, address, phone number, website, and hours of operation are correct and consistent with other online listings. Google values accurate and complete information, and it helps your business show up in relevant local searches. Consistency across all platforms also builds trust with customers. Next, focus on using relevant keywords in your business description. Describe what your business does, the services or products you offer, and what makes you unique. Include search terms your potential clients are likely to use, but keep the description natural and readable. This helps Google understand your business and match your profile to relevant search queries. Add high-quality visuals such as photos and videos to your profile. Images of your storefront, team, products, or completed projects not only make your listing more appealing, but also improve engagement metrics, which Google considers when ranking profiles. Videos that explain your services or showcase customer experiences can further enhance visibility. Another important tip is encouraging and responding to reviews. Customer reviews are a major ranking factor for local SEO. Positive reviews improve your credibility and attract more clicks, while prompt and professional responses to all reviews show that your business is active and engaged. Make it a habit to ask satisfied clients for reviews and acknowledge their feedback. Leverage Google posts and updates as part of your SEO strategy. Regularly posting promotions, events, or service updates signals to Google that your business is active. Active profiles are more likely to appear in local searches and attract potential clients looking for current and relevant information. Finally, monitor insights and analytics to track how users find your profile, which search queries lead to engagement, and what actions customers take. This data helps you refine your SEO strategy, optimize keywords, and make informed updates to your profile for better search performance. By following these SEO tips, completing your profile, using keywords strategically, adding visuals, managing reviews, posting updates, and analyzing insights, you can improve your Google Business Profile ranking, attract more clients, and grow your business online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and business tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Start optimizing your Google Business Profile for SEO today and watch your business visibility soar.